How to change language on Viki app. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up Play Store or App Store on your device and get the Viki app installed on your device. Once it has been installed, you want to tap on the open option. Here, if you have not logged into your account, you first want to do that. If you are new to this, you can also sign up and create a free account. Once you have been logged in, if you want to change language on the Viki app, all you have to do is tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on this option, your profile details will appear. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you want to tap on the option of Preferred Language. Once you tap on it, this pop-up is going to appear. Here, you have different language options that you can choose from. You have languages such as French, Italian, Spanish, and much more. From this list, scroll down and find the one that is your preferred language. Once you find your preferred language, simply tap on that to select it, and now your language will be changed on the Viki app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.